Imagine getting a call in the middle of the night. Your mom has been rushed to the emergency room. The doctor needs someone to make medical decisions. The hospital asks for insurance information, and no one knows where any of the important paperwork is. Unfortunately, this happens every day. Many families don't realize they're missing critical documents until they're already in the middle of a crisis. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 essential documents every family caregiver should have before an emergency happens, why each one matters, and where you can usually get it. Let's get started. Document number 1, Healthcare Power of Attorney. This document allows someone your loved one trusts to make medical decisions if they're unable to make those decisions themselves. Without it, doctors may have to wait for court approval or rely on state laws to determine who can act on your loved one's behalf. The best time to complete this document is while your loved one is still able to make their own decisions. You can usually obtain healthcare power of attorney forms through an elder law attorney, your state's health department, or many hospital systems. Document number 2, HIPAA, Authorization Form. Many caregivers are surprised to learn that even close family members may not automatically have access to medical information. A HIPAA authorization form gives healthcare providers permission to discuss your loved one's medical condition with you. Without it, doctors and nurses may be limited in what they can legally share. These forms are available from hospitals, doctors' offices, and most healthcare providers. Document number 3, Advance Directive or Living Will. This document explains your loved one's wishes about medical treatment if they become seriously ill and cannot communicate. It may include decisions about life support measures, resuscitation, and other important healthcare choices. Having these conversations before a crisis can relieve an enormous emotional burden on family members later. Most states provide advance directive forms online, and many hospitals offer them at no cost. Document number 4, Medication and Medical Information List. This may be the simplest document on today's list, but it's often one of the most valuable. Create a single page that includes current medications, dosages, allergies, medical conditions, physicians' names, pharmacy information, and emergency contacts. In an emergency, having everything in one place can save valuable time and reduce the risk of medication errors. Review and update this list every few months. Document number 5, Emergency Contact and Important Information Binder. Finally, create one place where everything comes together. Whether it's a 3-ring binder or a secure digital folder, gather important documents like insurance cards, Medicare information, legal documents, healthcare directives, physician contact information, medication lists, copies of identification, and emergency phone numbers. The goal isn't to create more paperwork. It's to make sure everyone knows exactly where to find the information when it's needed most. None of us can predict when a medical emergency will happen, but we can prepare for one. Taking a few hours today to organize these 5 documents can save days of confusion, reduce stress, and help ensure your loved one's wishes are respected when it matters most. Here at Family Caregiving Kit, we believe preparation brings peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more practical tools, checklists, and guidance designed specifically for family caregivers. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 documents do you already have, and which one do you still need to put in place? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, you care for them. We help you.